1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset the Echo Dot Max. In order to do this, you're going to hold down the minus volume symbol and the mute button for approximately 20 seconds until the light turns on orange, which means that the Echo Dot Max has been factory reset. You need to make sure that you have your Echo Dot Max plugged in order for this to work. When you factory reset the Echo Dot Max, it's going to erase all your personal information, and this will be ready to be set up again, so you can gift it to somebody else if you want, or you can just set it up if you move to another account. So we're going to start doing this right now. We're going to hold down on the minus button, and we're going to hold down on the mute button right here for 20 seconds. I'm holding them both down right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3.
Removing your smart home devices and resetting your device. This'll take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
All right, now I can let my fingers up off holding these buttons. You heard it speaking to me, and it is removing it from my account and factory resetting the Echo Dot Max so that I can set this back up. Now the Echo Dot Max is available as of 2025 and is the most current version as of 2025 going into 2026. So I've got another video that shows you how to set this up, so check that out in the description below. Now we're waiting for that orange ring to come back up, and that means when the orange ring is here that the Echo Dot Max has been completely factory reset. So it's going to take about a minute here. You can see it's going through all these different light cycles. But when we get to that final ring, that means that this thing has been factory reset and is ready to be set back up.
Hello! This device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in the Alexa app.
Hola, este dispositivo está listo para la configuración. Solo sigue las instrucciones en la app de Alexa. Bonjour, cet appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Il suffit de suivre les instructions dans l'application Alexa.
All right, great. Our Echo Dot Max has been factory reset, and now it's ready to be set back up. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and click any links below if you want to support us. It's always appreciated, and we appreciate you being here and supporting the channel. We'll see you next time.